Hi, I'm Krista,
Hi, I'm Lisa,
and we're Farmhouse Rose Co.
and today we're showing you 3 high-end farmhouse Christmas DIYs.
So let's get into it. DIY number 1, Kirkland inspired snowy view. And here's the supplies we used. So we began by taking 2 beware signs from Dollar Tree. They were in the Halloween decor. So we just took some wood glue and some hot glue and took craft sticks on the pretty side of the sign to help hold the signs together. We're going to use the back of the sign for our DIY. We began by taking a box cutter and scoring along the sign. And then we took a coat of white chalk paint and we brushed it along the direction of the lines that we scored. Next we took a chip brush and the Java paint and we brushed it lightly back and forth across the sign to make it look more like palette wood. And then we took a canvas from Dollar Tree and took off the canvas part and just kept the frame. We stapled it into place to give it a more sturdy hold and we stained it with antique wax. We set the sign aside to dry and then we took some paint sticks and we used our miter box to cut them to size and we stained them using antique wax with a little bit of water. And then we took a Christmas gift bag that was also from Dollar Tree. We cut it to size and glued it to the frame using hot glue. Now we're going to use our paint sticks from earlier that we had stained and we're going to glue them onto the beware sign to create a frame. Now we're going to glue our framed picture into place. Now we're going to take a mini grapevine wreath and we're going to glue it next to our picture. And we're going to add some frosted berries from Dollar Tree to our wreath. We're going to add a red and white bow to the wreath. Now we're going to take some pitberry, wrap it around a dowel rod, and then glue it into place. And here's the finished product. DIY number 2 Farmhouse Tree Set. We began by taking 3D trees from Dollar General, put them together and painted them with white chalk paint. We distressed one with red, one with green, and one with truffle chalk paint. And then we attached the trees to a dowel rod using hot glue. And then we attached the dowels to a pallet from Dollar Tree that was stained with wood tint. And here's the finished product. DIY number 3 Farmhouse Candy Cane Sign. We started by taking this pallet wood sign we got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And painted it with 2 coats of white chalk paint. And then we cut off the hanger and we took the beads and painted them red and white. And then we took a gift bag from Dollar Tree, cut it to size, and tattered the edges. And then attached it by using Mod Podge on the edges of the gift bag. We took some striped twine from Walmart, strung the beads onto it, and then we put the hanger back on using hot glue and staples.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed our 3 high-end farmhouse Christmas DIYs.
If you're already subscribed, thank you for your support. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what your favorite farmhouse DIY was.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow. If you haven't seen our 3-part ornament series, it will be linked in the description box down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
We have so many more Christmas DIYs that we want to share with you guys, so stay tuned.
Talk to you guys next time.
Bye for now.